What's up, guys? My name is Stephen Williams. I just want to give you guys a little bit of my testimony. I've been trading forex for about 2-3 months now, and I haven't been really getting major gains like I thought I would. I've been doing what everybody else does, watching YouTube videos, taking their strategies, trying to apply mine, and I just wasn't getting the gains that I thought I would be getting. So I called Greg and I reached out to him, and I asked him if he could help. He gave me an hour coaching. And from that hour of coaching, I was able to read charts, mark charts, get in and out of trades at the right times. I went from knowing nothing to knowing something substantial enough to get started. With that being said, I went ahead and signed up for the Pip and Run Gold Scupper boot camp. I had to do it because with the knowledge that I learned in an hour, I want more of it. It got me hooked. I needed more. So I can't wait until these 12 weeks to see what I really gain after that. Just let you guys know the time is now. If you have not done it, go ahead and do it.